What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp audio playback speed for voice messages and how you can increase that speed. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, once you opened up your WhatsApp, just get into some conversation where voice messages, and once you tap on play button, now here at the right you are able to change the playback speed of that voice messages. You can switch it to from 1x to 1.5x and to double x like that, and you can change it in any time you want. Just tap there on that speed icon. And once you changed the speed, these changes apply to any voice messages. So now if I'm playing another message, you see that speed is doubled right now. And if I set it to 1.5, if I turn on another message, you see that speed is 1.5 as well. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.